Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to overlay clips in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First you have to open one of your projects, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery photos and videos that you would like to edit. And then when you open one of them, you have to click on the edit option, which is on the bottom of the screen. First option, scroll to the right until you see the overlay option. So for example, if I want to overlay this clip, then I have to select it, click on the overlay, and you can see that it went under the next clip. So this is how it looks. And if you want to add more, you have to click on the add overlay. I'm going to do this video, and now let's see. Wait a couple of seconds and you can see that it's done. So this is how it looks, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.